Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 2 B. Find the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Right? Okay. B is 5, 15 and 25. 25. First of all, we find the factors of 5, that is 1 into 5, 5 is equal to 5 is equal to 5. That is rub this one 5, right? Now 1 into 5, that is 5, right? Now we'll find the factors of 15. Factors of 15, we'll write 1 into 15 is equal to 15, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15, right? And we'll find the factors of 25 also. 1 into 25 is equal to 25, 25 and 5 into 5 is equal to 25, right? Now we'll find, therefore factors of 5 are, therefore factors factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, right? And factors of 25 are factors of 25 factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25, right? Now we'll find the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Therefore, common factors factors of 5, 15 and 25 and 25 are, we have to find the common. Here you see, one is common in all three, therefore are 1, and you see here that 5 is also common. 5 here, here and here, right? That means 1 and 5. 1 and 5. These are the common factors. Therefore, the common factors of 5, 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. This is the solution of question number 2b. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.